there, it's Miranda, Realtor with the Plowman team, and I'm here today to showcase 2 Wickett Street in Belleville. Now, if you're looking for the perfect house to get into the market, I promise you this is it. This is awesome. I would be amazed to live here if I was a first-time homebuyer. You have everything that's done. It's totally open concept on this main floor, which is great. Look at the kitchen, stone countertops. There's a gold sink over there. This is ideal. Before we finish up down here, I want you to see all of the cabinetry that's here. There is tons of space. And behind you, you've got access to your main floor laundry, you've got more storage, and your backyard. We're on a 40 by 120 foot lot. Your second floor is just as nice as the main. We've got new carpet, new trim, new paint, new fixtures. You've got 2 bedrooms and a 4-piece bathroom. To Wickett Street. It is pretty awesome, isn't it? Now, I want you to come and see it in person. Again, we've got a detached freehold home, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, fully renovated from top to bottom on a 40 by 120 foot lot. Now come and check it out yourself. Give us a call, the number's above. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below because I don't want you to miss out on any other properties that are as awesome as this.